How to install Narva Ultima LED 225 driving lights. Open the vehicle's bonnet and remove the grille. Lay out the loom in the desired fitment location. Feed the switch wiring through the firewall opening. Note: terminals may need to be removed, and as such, replacements are provided. If necessary, remove the glove box to access the switch wiring. Pull the wire through the firewall for later use. Make sure not to pull all the way through, as some slack is required for mounting relay. Find a suitable position to mount the relay. Feed wiring in conjunction with relay mounting and mount the relay. Some drilling of metal may be required. Be sure to use suitable safety equipment. Connect power feed to the positive battery post. Make sure no cables are tangled and pull the remaining switch wiring through. Feed the switch wiring in behind the center console, depending on your switch location. Pull remaining wire through from behind the center console. Feed the switch wire up through the steering column cover. Mount the switch in desired location using adhesive bag. Connect the switch to the wire harness. And tidy up harness with the supplied cable ties. Be sure to locate excess harness where it cannot be kicked or damaged. Return to the engine bay and feed the driving light harness to the desired location. Feed the wiring through, allowing for adequate wiring to lights. Ensure there is adequate clearance of cables to hot surfaces. Remove supplied connector on the headlight feed. This is only required if your headlight bulb does not match the plug-and-play adapter. Remove headlight connector and use supplied wire taps to attach driving light harness feed. There may be limited space during install, so take all necessary precautions to prevent harm or damage. Reconnect the headlight connector. Check the headlights to ensure correct operation before proceeding further. Mount your driving lights roughly in the desired position. Now connect the harness to the driving lights. Check operation of all forward lighting, low beam, high beam, and driving lights. Clean up the wiring with the supplied cable ties to minimize exposure, and connect ground circuit from the driving light harness. Fit and tighten the driving light nuts. Aim the lights as best you can before the final tighten of the nuts. Replace the grille on the vehicle and double-check all wiring is tidy and no tools have been left in the engine bay. Finally, test the entire lighting system before driving the vehicle.